Hello and welcome to today's walk. And can you guess where I'm at? Yes, I'm back at Six Flags. So, join me on today's walk and let's go inside the park. All right, we have entered the park. It looks pretty crowded for a Thursday, but it is some events going on. Probably the grad nights, but it is pretty packed today. So I'm just gonna walk on over to Wonder Woman, take a look and see what's going on there, and also to see if the Lex Luthor ride is up and running. So let's go. All right, so here we are, right at the entrance of DC Universe, and as you can see, the high point right there is almost done. They just need to connect those two rails there. Also, the turnaround is almost done also, and there's only one little section that's needed right about there that connects the two the top towards the bottom there. But wow, big difference. I haven't come in about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, and man, I thought for sure I would start seeing some of the DC Universe entrance going up, but the ride is definitely moving. And like I said, they had got that top part needed and the insignia to go right there. So, but this turnaround, like I said, is almost done. It's got that one little section right there. But let's go take a look at the other side over by Metropolis. And before I leave, the Lex Luthor Drop of Doom is not working just yet. I know they were testing it the other day, but it's still not working. So I haven't seen them test it since I've been here, but I know it's pretty close to opening soon. So as of today, which is Thursday, June 2nd, yeah, nothing yet. So it, like I said, is almost done with the track. They got that there. You can see it a little closer now where those two top part, the top part meets right there. And then you know what I never noticed, but they got a fence up now. That's something that's new, because I don't remember this fence being here, and they're already building it back that way. But yeah, just remember, just not too long ago, we were happy when they put that first piece of track in, but now they pretty much have it all. And like I said, I can't wait for that Wonder Woman insignia to go up there. But yeah, it's almost done. So we're actually gonna be able to walk up pretty close to the ride once it opens. Let's take a look from the other side. Wow, this is awesome. Like I said, we were just happy that the track, the first one was going in, and that first support went in, and look at it now. It is almost done. All right, let's take a little closer look, even more. So as we come over here next to, right in front of the Riddler, you could see a lot of the different work that's going on at the same time, like the fence that's going up. Right here, you can tell where they're doing some welding. And the fence right there, that's pretty close to the ride that you're going to be able to walk up to. But you could also see some electric boxes up there on the right there, that walking area. And you can see that they're working on the electrical part of it up there. But yeah, it is. I don't know, July 4th. I was hoping by July 4th. But I don't think so. I think it's gonna go maybe into August. So it looks like they did some work here with the planter area. I don't know, maybe they needed to move some of it, but they definitely did some work here. But yeah, you can see a little closer the electrical boxes up at the top there, and some lighting right here that they're putting in. Here's a light right here. But yeah, they gotta definitely still do some electrical work, and you know, all the testing that they got to do. But yeah, they're definitely almost done with the track. And like I said, here's the top part that's missing. So as you come up, it's gonna be a pretty steep drop, and then it's gonna take you to this inversion here. That's gonna be intense right there. Yeah, so it's not just lighting. They got some speakers there, and more fence that's gonna go up right there. But I'm sure there's gonna be more speakers throughout the ride also, and more lighting. So I'm not sure if that's gonna be a permanent light, but yeah, they're gonna do all the lighting, electrical work up top on the ride, and you know what's going on over there at DC Universe entrance. Yeah, I'm thinking August. I was hoping for July, but we'll see. But it is moving along fast. All right, so that's our quick trip out here to Six Flags Magic Mountain. No drop of doom just yet, but I'm hearing that it's gonna open very, very soon, maybe Saturday. Also, Wonder Woman is almost completed as far as the track and any of the supports that are left. I think there's only 2 tracks left, and the final one with the flag. And that's what I want to be out here for that. So I'm gonna kind of frequent the next few days out here. So expect a lot of Magic Mountain Wonder Woman vlogs. And if you don't want to miss it, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So thank you for joining us today's walk. We'll see you again soon.